Hi people, welcome to my channel once again where we teach you the various ways to make money with your phone, of which includes using the KDP platform to make money in this year 2022. In this video, we are going to take you through the step-by-step tutorial on how to set up a KDP account on your phone so I can be able to use it and start making some cool money. So still to the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that we'll be updated on new ways and method to make money from your phone. Also give a like to this video, and let's get into the video. First, you are going to go to google.com. That's the search engine we are going to be using. In the size bar, we are going to type in kdp.amazon.com. We actually see here that Google gives an auto suggestion: self-publishing, Amazon, Kindle Direct Publishing. First use, that's the intelligence of Google. We are going to click on the whenever there it looks like this, the Amazon KDP page looks like we were presented with two options to sign into a KDP Amazon account or sign up. If you don't have an Amazon account, right down here you can see that you can publish your ebooks and paperbacks for free and get the opportunity to go to the market fast, make money up to 70 royalty, keep control of your product publishing in digital and print, and also get started at any time you want, including at the time of watching this video. So we are going to go to write up. Either you sign into your existing Amazon account or you sign up if you don't have an Amazon account. So you're going to click on this sign up button, and when you do that, we are going to wait for this have to load. Okay, we are going to be brought to this sign up page, but you are going to be signing in because we don't have a formal Amazon account. So you have to scroll down to the bottom of this where you are going to see this button, this white button that says create a new KDP account. So it's this button that we are going to click on, and then I'm going to take us to this sign up page, and here you are presented with the options to create your new account, to name your email address and password, after which you click on this create your KDP account button and you click on it. You are going to solve this puzzle in order to protect your account. So Amazon wants to really verify it's you and you are human, and to protect your account too, which is very important and essential. Any questions or about the video, you can put it down in the comment sections below. We are going to help you. We click on the solve puzzle button. We will solve the puzzles right away. There are about two puzzles you are going to be presented with. So we are done with the first puzzle and we are done with the second puzzle. So you are going to have to wait. Now you are going to be prompted to verify your email address with a one-time password sent to it. I'm going to verify that. Now you are going to have to add your mobile number, your current country, and then your number, and then let's click on this add mobile number. Then you will send an OTP to your mobile number, which you have to verify. Also, now you are going to have to buy your OTP. Then you will send an OTP to your mobile number, which you have to verify. Also, now you are going to have to buy your OTP, and then your account is going to look like this. So set up your account profile. That's your name, your address, and then you are getting paid information in this information. if you are in Pakistan or some of these countries, you are not going to be allowed to set up any bank account, so you have to create a United States bank account. If you can do that, I can also make a video for you on how to achieve that, set up a United States bank account. Then you have to complete your tax information and click on this big yellow save button. We are going to wait for that to load. Now you can go back and access your bookshelves from here, and it looks like this. Here you have the opportunity to create your ebook or your paperback or your hardcover book or Kindle Village story. And to do that, you just have to click on this big yellow create button in order for you to do that, so you can sign your Amazon KDP account, but using your information that you entered when signing up into it. And then when you are done, you click on this keep me signed in button, so that you don't have to go to these steps or sign into your Amazon account. Once you just access your browser, type in kdpamazon.com, you entered into it. So right here in your Amazon dashboard, so you can access your account again. So these your account button up there, so you can access your Amazon KDP account. That if you want to make any corrections about information about your bank details, your tax information or anything, you can go there and correct it. So thank you for staying with me for this video. In the next video, we are going to be teaching you how to set up your paperback and how to create a new content book for sale in Amazon KDP platform. So make sure to subscribe to this channel so that you will update it whenever we release this video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.